Dansco, part 3 of 4, unboxing. How's everyone doing today? Hope you're enjoying my videos. Again, never have owned Dansco before, so I'm opening this. I have not seen what's inside, and super excited. Why? I don't know. I think it's like coin history stuff is cool. All right, so first we have a Liberty seeded $50. Well, that's cool. Probably be extremely expensive to fill it unless you can find some Colorton ones. Cull is in like, can barely make out the date. So this is a 6152. Let's see if it's brand new. Yes, it is. No one's ever used it. And this even has the advertisements in there. Look at that. Oh man, that's cool. So cool. I don't know. I like this archival old stuff. And these are like really thick, so I don't know if you guys ever played like Dungeons and Dragons back in the day, but like the original Dungeon Master guides and stuff, they used to make stuff like thick that would last like this. But again, all made in America, super cool. Liberty dimes. Again, that's going to be expensive to fill. Next one is Washington Quarter Statehood Commemoratives 99 to 2008 date set. That's a 7146. Very, very cool. Look, it's got the names of each one. Man, they did a great job. And it comes with a little manual inside. So again, the plastic on the outside probably got all messed up, so they just decided to peel it off. Next is Liberty Walking $50, 1941 to 1947. Interesting. I would assume that's very popular. I want to say Liberty $50 is probably going to be like one of the more popular designs. I mean, think about it, guys. It was so popular, like they made the American Silver Eagle kind of look like it. Not the reverse, but at least the obverse. I think the reverse on the Walking Liberties is cool. Next is Washington Quarters America the Beautiful National Parks 2010 to 2021 date set. So that's book 67148. I think this is the one that's worth a lot, or at least more than the other ones. Again, I just did really basic research. And here's Liberty Standing Quarters, brand new sealed, 7132. Wow, there's more in this box. Liberty $50 again. So I have 2 of these brand new sealed. What does that mean? Do I need to like start collecting Liberty Walking $50? Should I start doing that since I have 2 of them sealed? I mean, one of them's... Wait, are these the same? Nope, that's Liberty seated. So Liberty Walking $50, I've got 2 of those. All right, that's cool. Oh man, can you imagine, guys, if you bought these and they're all filled and like the seller didn't know? I could retire and they were all BU. That would never happen. But I'm sure like someone's got a BU, album. Like a BU Franklin one wouldn't be that expensive to put together. But like a BU Walking one, or oh man, can you imagine a BU Liberty seated $50? Like this whole thing filled with BU, like that would be enough to like buy many, many houses. And like someone out there has it too, right? They just have like super beautiful stuff. And it's probably like buried behind a wall that no one will ever find. Here's a Franklin $50. I think we had one of those already. Did we? One of the prior boxes. All right. So that's that. Oh man, this seller did such a nice job. Let me move this box out of here. I have my office is trash. All right. So start a new stack here. So we got 7165. 7132, 7148, light box is falling apart, 7161, 7161, look how tall this is, it like literally takes up my whole light box, 7145, this is bad, like it's all gonna collapse, my whole light box is gonna explode, 7121, and then the super thick Liberty seated $50. Like this thing's so cool. Like look at this. Look at the mintages on this. Dude, 203,000. That's like nothing. Oh, look at this one. 1871cc. Dude, 153,000. Look at this one. It's only 12,000 of these. Like, do any of these even exist? Look at this. 1878S. So if you had one of these in BU, you can basically buy every single coin you ever wanted in your life. I don't know. I don't know anything about this stuff. All right, let's go to the computer and price these out. See if we got any like major scores on box 3 of 3. Seriously, like I've never had something this tall on my light box. I have a big light box too. All right, stand by. All right, so like, is it bad to be excited about just some books? I don't know. I'm excited. I think I'm excited because like I've never had them before, and I'm opening them for the first time, and the fact that I got such a good deal on them, and I spotted it, and it's like, and I was just searching for coins, and every now and then, so it has like a really good price. You can kind of tell like they don't sell coins for a living, or at a regular basis. I always like check out the rest of their shop to see what else they got going on, and I'm like, wow, this person's got some amazing collections. So I'm like, I want to buy all of them, and she gave me a good deal. All right, so the Franklin album, surprisingly enough, is $48 brand new. So again, that's brand new. If I go to used, they're like $30, but brand new, there's only one listing. So I'll be cheaper than this guy, and I'll sell mine fast. And again, if you guys are interested in any of this stuff, I'm going to literally list this after I post the videos. It's going to take me some time. I got to take pictures of everything, but look at this one. It's the Standing Liberty Quarter, brand new, $65. That's a score. There's only one other person listed brand new. So I'll be like $5 cheaper and someone will buy mine. Plus I got the better feedback and stuff too. I probably should be looking at sold. Yeah, sold brand new. $40, $60. That's awesome. Okay, so that was that one, and 7148 is the next one. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys. The National Parks, brand new, $50. Very, very cool. Happy about that. And then I have two Walking Liberty ones. So I didn't know I was getting two. So should I keep one and start filling it myself? I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to like obsess over something because I'm like the type of person I have to like finish it right away. But anyways, brand new. Well, someone just sold one for $25, $30. Yeah, they're pretty common, but that's what they sold for. So if I want to sell it real fast, but let's see, brand new, lowest that's listed is $37.81. So yeah, I could probably list mine for like $30 and be the first one sold. So I got two of them anyways, right? Next one is a 7145 presidential dollar one, brand new, is $44. Very cool. Well, at least that's the other seller. So again, I'm going to sell that for around 40. And oops, 7121 is the next one. And we'll go to brand new. And the cheapest one is $36.99. Those are the Liberty dimes. So there's 4 watchers on that. So if I list mine for $32, I'll definitely have mine sold right away because those other 4 watchers will jump on mine real fast. And the next one is an older number. It's a 6152. So that's the Dansco Liberty seated $half. So I'm assuming that one's a pretty rare one. There are quite a few that are new. So looks like the cheapest one is $58. So if I list mine for $50, I'll sell mine right away. All right, let me go back to Lightbox. All right, so this concludes video 3 of 4 for the Dansco. Look how high that goes up. Unboxing, and so far the best score has been this one right here. But I think this one's because, I don't know, people like the commemoratives and they're easy to find. Well, not when I say easy to find, but like, you know what I mean? You can find like used ones because, let's face it, guys, a lot of the commemorative coins that came out, they were usually to commemorate something and they typically failed. So they tried to like sell them for double at whatever convention. And then they end up saying if it failed, they just dumped them in circulation, which that had to be really confusing back in the day, getting one of those coins, be like, yeah, sure, it's 50 cents, but that's how things go. So anyways, this concludes episode 3. I'm going to now work on episode 4, and then I'll finally be done, and then I can take pictures and list this all on eBay. All right, have a good one. Appreciate you guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and check out the next video if you want to see the final box 4 of the Dansco.